Hi guys, we're here in Idaho Falls. Yeah, it's very random, I know. We have to drive 4 hours away to Boise because we are trying to attend this baseball game. It's an independent league, and it's our opening day actually, so it should be fun. Yeah, let's see what this week has in store. I am here till Saturday morning, so I have some things lined up with my nephew. It's his graduation tomorrow, so I'm gonna go down to Boise and explore a little bit. But other than that, much love, and yeah, come along with me. Let's get it. Yeah. Well, I don't know if they're coaches, but they're part of staff. Yo, vlog, say what's up to Adrian.
Yo, what up, dog?
We're here at Hong Kong restaurant, Chinese.
What's up, guys? This guy's over here to meet an 8-year-old.
We outside. Ah, man. Alright, y'all, so we finally made it 4 hours later, probably 5, actually it was around like 5 hours later because I stopped like probably like 3 times. So, but look at it, it's like legit country road type of field, bruh. Over here, let's see if y'all can see that. You know what? Y'all see it right now. We're gonna get up close and personal. But it's the Boise Hawks opening day, I believe. And I think they're playing the other Idaho team, so let's see how this goes. And probably won't stay the whole time. I'm tired. Just want to chill out a little bit, but
not your way, am I?
I'm just looking.
Like how you stand at the rail. It's a little closer.
Yeah, it's a little bit closer. It's fine. Just kind of get the scenery.
Live music on the grass every Saturday night. Follow us on Facebook for more events. That's Lucky Orange Riverside Restaurant. Family, friends, fun, and food is what we do.
Dollar. Feeling that breeze as he makes his way on down to first. Pitch is confirmed ball. That is Boise's first challenge of tonight's game.
Alright, y'all, so y'all saw a little bit of what the game was about. You saw the dog that gets the bats. That's pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. Everything, you know, I'm not gonna lie, it was a great vibe there. Good energy. Mind you, we are in Boise, Idaho. They have the independent baseball, and then they have Boise State. And then of course they have like Idaho State and stuff like that. But like Boise, strictly Boise State. So it's a big deal out here. You know, so it was like a homey feel, good vibes and everything. I'm just out of it. I'm be honest. Like my eyes are heavy. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I just want to get these. I'm at Walmart. I'm gonna get some of these snacks. Got my food and just, you know, kind of call it a night. You guys will see the Airbnb and everything, and then from there, just chill out. I don't know if I'm gonna edit at all. I'm dead, bro. So See y'all soon. Much love, and let the journey keep on coming. Keep oning in Idaho. Mike no sleep. Oh, this is nice. I see it. This is nice though. My cat. Oh. Fam, I'm dumb. Y'all probably like, Mike, where's the shower? I saw the bathtub. Bruh. Look at this. Made out of stones. This is nice. And everything. You know, me personally, I went on this trip because I want to see my nephew graduate, and you know, today is the sister I never had birthday, so she was my best friend, but I looked at her as a sister, literally. Like, her siblings were like my siblings, still are. Her family's my family. I got to know her extended family. We knew each other since middle school. A whole bunch of stuff, right? And she passed away in 2019. And it hit me on the airplane today. And, you know, sometimes we run away from problems. Sometimes we just ignore our feelings and everything. But it's alright to not be alright, you know? It doesn't always have to be a long-term, oh, I'm not good, I'm not well off, you know, for a while. But, you know, in a moment, it's alright to not be alright. It's alright to struggle. It's alright to go through a process that, like, you just wish would hurry up. It's late, about to be midnight, watching a YouTube video. Gotta lay down here soon. I'm not gonna edit or anything, I'll just be like mentally and all. So I'm just gonna rest up, chill back, and you know, be prepared for these next days and everything. Much love. See you guys soon. Alright, y'all, we are out of here. I slept in like a mug. It's 11:39 right now, so I was awake like most of the time, then I'll doze back off. Then I'll be awake and I'll doze back off. So I officially got up around 11. But we're all packed up. We're gonna go get this Mexican food that the woman recommended. Shout out to her and the stay. The stay was amazing, bro. I could live there. I'm not even gonna cap, but yeah, we're gonna go get this Mexican food and let's see. Let's give it a grade, baby. So let's get into it. All right, y'all. We're here. First off, fast customer service. This is the size of the burrito. Should I have done a burrito? No, probably should have gotten a bowl. But I'm here to try what I heard is the best they have. So we looking at. This is the Saba burrito. First, we gotta pray. Yes, who fucking talk for my man? I'm about to point on with it. Let me make sure this doesn't fall apart because it feels like it's about to. Hold the bottom. Yeah, salad's pretty good actually. think I was gonna find this in Idaho, but that's solid. So I get basic asada burritos, asada, beans, rice, cheese, and I put some green sauce in there. That's a cool like 8 or 9 right there, bro. Fire. After this, we gotta hit the road though. Gas up, hit the road. Crazy. I didn't go pee though. It wasn't too bad of a drive.
I was just gonna say we're in graduation.
What you got?
Potato, mascot potato.
That's your guys' mascot? For real? So you guys are like the true infamous How you feel graduating?
Next chapter, I guess, now.
Maybe it's the next chapter.
Kind of surreal. College, getting married, have kids. Good story.
He's gonna get him a nursing girlfriend. That's what he said. They're toxic though. I'm telling you, they're toxic. You don't believe me.
I do believe you.
They're toxic. I didn't. There he is. The boy.
Jonah, Alan, and Perry.
Look at the boy. You gonna take pictures of your girlfriend or what? Y'all got big plates. Big plates.
Little kid.
I know. I got some huge ass plates. Yeah.
Oh, baby back.
Legit. What the?
Just regular.
What is going on? Grandma's stealing food. Look at that. She's stealing food.
I hate when they don't peel the shrimp.
been, but we don't know that right now. But the mother assisted him in buying that tactical gear for him.
Guys, I'm in the tent. About to go to bed. Show you guys more tomorrow. Or when I wake up. See ya. Howdy, y'all. This is the nature lover right here. We're gonna call him Crocodile Pete. I need to lose weight. That was not accurate weight. That was not accurate weight. I think it said like 190, 195 or something. I weigh like 185. Bad time to hit the scale. We're hitting the bathroom. We're gonna let Crocodile Pete take over.
What's up, y'all? Just gonna give you guys a tour. I don't know any historical facts like that. Let's see. I'll just try to get all the views. Let's see, how do you zoom in? Let me figure this out. Right here, maybe? Yes, sir. The windmills. Where are you from? Where are you visiting from?
California. Yeah. LA area? Yeah. What's good, y'all? So you guys saw a little bit of the, what do you call this?
TV.
A teepee? I didn't really document it, but this is what it's looking like. We got the firewood for tonight. Hopefully we can spark that up. I have to go to the store. We're gonna go into the pond right now. We're gonna push Shane into it. Oh, that shit's nasty.
It doesn't look like any fish. That's pretty much what the Snake River looks like. I got water shoes you can get in.
I need some. You can go to Walmart. Welcome to my Airbnb. I need a picture, but this was all sketched out trying to get in last night. I saw that one. I saw the other one too, and I was like, fuck, I hope he told me the right one. Imagine I go in here and stuff.
Pink sheets too.
Got the heater, fire extinguisher, just in case I catch on fire, baby. It's pretty big.
Bring your girl and stuff.
This would be fire. Like, this would be dope if you had like a girl and stuff, for sure. That's what I want to experience. You guys probably wondering, like, you're like a campground. How do you shower? How do you use the restroom? You know, how do you enjoy yourself? Well, peeps, we have a ladies and we have a men's. This is our community restroom showers. Boom, got 2 of them. We're at Super Chick. She said, what is this like?
It's like Chick-fil-A. I like it more than Chick-fil-A. Just more expensive. Buffalo Ranch chicken, I think it was.
Pull that bun off. Your boy got the cheesy barbecue grill. See how this goes. Got some lemonades. Get it. What time is it? It's still early. It's early, guys.
It's vintage Nike, bro.
Oh yeah, it's very vintage. You're gonna be vintagely dying in hell. Go like hell.
I believe in Christ.
Are we really going to this place?
I don't know. Let's go to Reef there.
Duck Donuts.
If you want the bacon donut, yeah, but
Not really, bro.
that would be a lot of dessert.
Nah, yeah, I'm not trying to eat that much this week. Hey, Dutch Bros, y'all. Hey, do you see those kids right there?
Yeah, but they're looking at crazy.
Huh?
What were they doing?
So I was recording our meal.
Uh-huh.
I wasn't about to pull it back up again, but I was recording the meal, and like the kid was looking, and then his brother or whatever are looking. They're like trying to get in the camera. Yeah. I was like, all right, fam. We're out here at Reed's Ice Cream and Dairy Store. Why am I talking like that? He said this is the bomb, so we're gonna see what happens. He said the cow's manure that you smell out here makes the ice cream taste better. Double Scoop got Blue Moon. I got cookies and cream. I feel like a kid again. I usually don't do this, so I'm gonna enjoy it. Don't at me. What'd you get? Show the camera.
I forgot. Oh, it was a shake. A Rocky Road shake.
A cow?
No, that brown cow's a different one.
I got this is Scarlet. Scarlet. What's up, Scarlet?
Touch him.
Huh?
Touch him.
I want a pig. Touch it.
I don't want him to bite me.
Why not bite you?
Troy got bit last time.
Yeah, it didn't hurt though. It didn't hurt.
He's gonna bite me.
I'm so scared. That's a billy goat. You got the horn. What's up, homie? They're aggressive.
Is he nice? Mm-hmm. Usually they'll bang you.
I get you. What are you doing?
They used to have alpacas and they'd spit at you.
I'll kick that.
I think they just sheared them.
Yeah. Ooh. He's like, what you doing?
Get mad.
He's like, I like you. You want camera attention.
He's a midget cow. He won't get pet bigger than this.
You won't get bigger than that? Here, this one trying to sneak up. You trying to sneak up, huh, fam? I see you. You're not sneaky. You're not sneaky. What are you doing? Bruh, don't warn me like that. He's running his head into the ground. I'm good, fam. They trying to tell me, go ahead and die, and we're not gonna help you. What, the rivers though? Like the water?
No, actually, I think we're about right.
I don't think you know what you're talking about.
I haven't been for a while.
I feel like I'm gonna fall in just standing on this. Don't do that, fam. Come on, fam. Look at, she's sunbathing, fam. It's cold. Go in there. Go.
Touch it.
It's cold or what?
Yeah, like that on your whole body will freeze you.
My whole body would freeze.
No,
I think you're capping on that.
Touch it.
I don't think my whole body would freeze though.
Touch it, dude.
What if I touch it like a alligator comes up or a snake?
Sturgeon?
I go face to face with one. It's cold, but I don't think it's that cold. Go in there. We got under 6 skips with the rock skipping talent over
And
here.
if I don't hit it. Okay, wait, no, that's bad. We're at an angle. Let me find another.
Way under, baby. I just hit a jackpot. Woo! I just won $1 million. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. He used some excuse. I don't know what he said, but all I know is that was 0 skips. That was straight into the water, sir. My fish is doing.
Probably a trout.
No, I just found a dead fish. We gotta go on that side.
It's just gonna float right there. Oh, look, there's another one right there, too.
Where?
Right on the edge.
Dead fish is everywhere, fam. What's going on? How are they dying?